If you're thinking about applying for a mortgage, here's 6 questions to ask your loan officer and the answers. What information or documents will I need when I submit my mortgage application? The answer. You'll need to document your residence history, employment history, income, credit obligations, marital status, and the funds that you plan to use for your down payment. And please have those documents ready for the full underwriting approval. How long will the process take from start to finish? Answer. There's a lot of factors that go into getting a mortgage, things like loan processing, underwriting, the appraisal. But generally speaking, you should plan for 30 to 45 days. So how exactly does my credit score impact my interest rate and loan program? Answer. This might actually be one of the most critical questions to ask because there's so many variables that impact your credit score. And your credit score will determine the loan program that you qualify for and the interest rate within that loan program. So if you have any concerns about your credit profile, try to improve it as much as possible before applying for the mortgage. How do I lock in my interest rate? And how long can I lock it for? Answer. You want to be clear on the process of locking in an interest rate because interest rates change daily. And generally a rule of thumb, the shorter the rate lock period, the lower the rate. However, you want to make sure that you're locking in your interest rate long enough to cover you through closing. Are property taxes and homeowners insurance included in my mortgage payment? Answer. This is called escrowing. With some loan programs, you may have the option to escrow or not to escrow. However, when you include your property taxes and homeowners insurance into your mortgage payment, then your payment will be a little higher than just your principal and interest portion of the payment, but you will not have to come up with the full payment for property taxes and homeowners insurance when they become due each year. How much will I need for closing? Answer. A loan estimate will be provided to you within 3 days of applying for your mortgage. This loan estimate will give you a general idea of the amount that you'll need for closing. However, it is a good idea to keep in mind that it is an estimate. While most loan officers will make every attempt to give you as accurate as possible the amount needed for closing, once things like third-party fees are verified, those numbers can change a little. I hope you've enjoyed this segment of Wes's Wisdom.